Oh my god, that was the most satisfying thing I've ever seen in my entire life if I've seen anything. Hi, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another New York City penthouse glow up. Why do I hate the name? I just broke my nail. Girl, that grow out is crazy though. She's been looking healthy. I feel it cooking. I feel a good video cooking. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be organizing my bathroom, and I've done this a couple times before, but guys, this is it. This is the inspo. Here we have on the screen. You guys can see the inspiration where I've been, you know, cooking up my thoughts. I just want my home to feel like a zen garden mixed with you just walked into Tulum on like a beach club. At the same time, you're in Bali at the spa. Because if you guys don't know, my house is literally just a collection of a bunch of Asian things. I'm not just talking like, oh, like just Japan. No, like girl, we have things from all over the world, just all over the world, period, but all over Asia. We have these Indonesian wooden doors. They are literally from the 1900s and they're real doors from Indonesia. Oh shit, I spilled my Celsius all over my ruggable. Good thing I can wash the rug. Hashtag sponsor. No, I'm kidding. They should though. It's cute, okay? If you guys haven't seen the room makeover video yet, go watch. Bro, I'm obsessed. But anyways, back to the video. We are gonna be organizing my bathroom today. Should be pretty satisfying. I just wanna feel relaxed in my home. I wanna feel everything is where I need it, and I feel like spring is the perfect time. If you're feeling a little glum lately, get your ass up, bro, and watch the first episode all the way up until now because I give nice tips and tricks on how to clean. Another day, another dollar. So yesterday, clearly I did not get shit done. I did not get shit done. Are we surprised? No. Today, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna put my phone away. Should we lock her in a box? I don't have a box to lock her in. I do have a box to lock her in. Do I want to be extra right now? I do want to be extra. Okay, but we're gonna drink an energy drink and we're gonna start organizing. I'm sorry, my videos are chaotic and all over the place, guys. Okay, I can't help it. Look at this, guys. Right? Like, how cool. Anyways, I'm putting my phone in there. Goodbye. You guys want to know what you guys eat up the most? So I can see the analytics on the back end and see what you guys like to watch. You guys love fridge organizing videos, and you guys just love organizing videos, period. I have these little stands right here that I got off of Amazon, and my mom already hot glued the two pieces together. You guys can see it's hot glue, and basically this just spins, right? Cute, fresh. There's another one that I want to add on top because I found the perfect spot for it. So I'm gonna hot glue these on. We put the products on here. The place it's gonna go is right here. It's so perfect. That way, like, I'm trying new products and stuff like that, but it's not like I have to go grab it, you know, like it's on display, it's all nice and juicy. When was the last time y'all smelled a hot glue gun? This is nostalgia right here. Like, I'm like, smells like me burning myself. I took my phone out because I wanted to record TikToks and Instagram Reels because I'm posting on there like multiple times a day, and I've been doing consistently for like a couple weeks now. So go follow me on there if you guys want to see all this cute little reel stuff. I'm putting a little hard work into it. I have all the face masks that I use in here, and I want to move them on top of here. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Oh, okay, only one down. Not bad. Two down. This one I'm really nervous about because all the products are so tall. Okay. Oh my god, this one's so heavy. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, up. She's wobbling. We're almost there. Oh my god, okay. Hopefully this doesn't like collapse on me one day, but she's looking nice. Guys, this looks really good. Wow. This is looking nice. I'm so excited. Like, imagine my like get ready with me videos and like this is just in the background. I should add a light, shouldn't I? I'm gonna go to try to find a light in a sec, but.
Are you seeing this? Like, what? This is insane. This is like way better than I could have ever thought. This is the perfect spot. There was just so much height. I'm so excited. I kind of organized things in here. This needs to go to the glam room because it's hair. This is travel size products. And then this and this is stuff that I don't want that I'm going to be giving to my mom. And then we can give it away to like family. This is like stuff that I still need to organize. And this is a lot of body care. So right now what we're going to do is organize the body care. Also, a YouTuber that I've been loving is Jada Bunny. Like, why is she actually so lit? She's only like 19, 20 years old. She's sick. She's sick.
Okay, bear with me because I'm going to be trying to figure this out as we go. Hello everyone, another day, another dollar. So I'm gonna put up these lights in my bathroom. It's not nighttime, by the way. It's not, it's the morning. But I have these lights that I wanna put around my mirror. Wow, girl, this looks good. Because now when I do my makeup, the lighting is just gonna be so much better. I can literally film anywhere in my bathroom at any angle and the lighting is gonna be superb now. Okay, so this is the state of the bathroom now. I think it's looking much better. But this is a bunch of bath products. I need to put this in these jars, but I wanna organize these. These are Vicks Vapor Rub. Guys, I love me. Okay. Yo, I'm gonna be so honest. Don't hate on me. I probably don't shower as much as I should. I know that everyone's gonna be like, wow, she's gross. I saw it happen to Madeline RG. I saw it happen to Emma Chamberlain, but shut up. Shut up. I'm trying to shower more. I'm trying to be motivated to shower more. My hair, I wash it once every 2 weeks, right? And then also, I have this gene that's very common in Asians where you don't produce BO. Like your sweat doesn't smell. For me, I'm like, oh my God, bro, like I'm clean. I don't shower every day. Because like for me, like a shower, like what, wash my body in and out in 1 minute, like boring. Before I see somebody, girl, I will shower, but I don't see anybody, you know what I mean? So I got these shower steamers because I used to have them, but then I ran out and I only had one left. The thing is like, you know about your cute little bath bombs and stuff, but sometimes you don't want to take a whole ass bath. You know how motivating it's gonna be for me to like want to shower when I'm like, oh my God, I get to open one of these, put it in and have like a whole experience. Like it's like, okay, I'm gonna go in the shower. Not only am I gonna wash my body, but I'm going to breathe in some, whatchamacallit, dreamy lavender. I'm gonna breathe in some calming chamomile. I'm gonna breathe in some fucking Vapo shower. Girl, this just be the motivation. If you're depressed, okay, and you can't get yourself to shower, buy yourself a little pack of this. Perfect. So now I have my Vicks Vapo and I also have this. Okay, I'm back from a walk. But there's these Josie Maran things, which you're supposed to refill, which is super cool. I think I'm trying to do vanilla. There's Vanilla Vibes, Topless Tangerine, and Bohemian Fig. And I'm like, vanilla seems the most enticing to me, so I'm gonna fill these up. Satisfying thing I've ever seen in my entire life if I've seen anything. How beautiful is that? What? That was insane. Time to put this in the body care drawer. I didn't organize it by brand. I organized it more by product just because I feel like it's easier to find exactly what I need if it's by products. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. Cute. I wanna grab a body butter, I come here. I wanna exfoliate, I come here. I wanna lotion, okay, I come here. I wanna shave, this is my area. Okay. The thing is, I still have these dirty little drawers that I have not cleaned up yet. Remove everything from here, clean her out, and organize this to just be skincare and like body care, because this was once my makeup drawer as well. mom cleaned these for me and she also wiped down the bathroom. So shout out mom, okay? We are now gonna put everything in its place and organize the way that we should. Also, I'm having big debates about in there. I'm like low-key, I want to color coordinate it. Low-key. Because I was showing pictures of it to my friends today and like literally in my head, I was like, oh, this isn't hitting like I thought it should. Let's just start. Oh my gosh, this is loose. Look at this. This drawer is about to fall off. Look at this. It's like bouncing. Are you seeing this? It's bouncing because like that is loose. Like this is why I'm doing everything while my mom is here because I don't think I would be able to function. How are you guys? I know that this video is 40 minutes long, but I can't help it. I can't shut the fuck up sometimes. Ma'am, I need you to come help me fix my drawer. Oh, she's cleaning. Come, look. Girl just took the whole drawer out. What the heck? Guys, if you guys are ever wondering where I got my home decorating, my do everything by myself, drilling everything in the walls by myself from, is my mom. When I moved, she got me a whole ass toolkit, but not just a toolkit, hammer, electric drill. Home Depot was where we lived at when we were younger. Okay, thank you. Basket, okay? All of my headbands ever. Low-key, I want to get like a stand for it. Like I want to get one of them. I want to get a bar. That's so unnecessary because then every time I want to take it off, I'm gonna have to like search through all of them. And like I should just put it in a basket. Let me go get a basket, like a cute one. Okay, Miss Girl, like how cute is this? Now we have all of my headbands just in here. Like I love collecting headbands, wearing a different headband every single time. I don't know if on the counter is the best option though, but that's why we have another freaking thing here. Yikes, she made a mistake. I realized I actually think that this is perfect. So perfectly that it's like, okay, girl, just stick to this. We have so much extra room, I love it. Ugh, I need a drink. I've been procrastinating on my phone, okay? I drink, I mean, no nails. We're almost done. We're at the last stretch, okay? But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna reorganize this. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do it. We're just gonna see what happens when I put, do I color it? Do I do it by brand? My brain can't compute right now. You know, I think we need to do by color. It's definitely giving. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Holy crap. Like, oh my god, I need a body wash. Then I have to scan through every single one of them. There's a body wash, and then I have to scan. Oh, there's a body wash. Scan. Oh, you know what? Why am I trying to be so quick with everything? Maybe this will make me slow down. Same thing with that fucking massive tower over there. I'm like, I'm gonna have to be so intentional and like slow when I grab things. But it's okay, guys. Maybe that's what it's meant to happen. I'm going wise in these beautiful delights. Nothing sweeter than my misery. Yeah. Finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. We need to finish the bathroom today. We need to finish, okay? It's currently 12:30 and I've been on my phone all goddamn day long posting Instagram reels for no reason. Nobody asked for them, but I just love posting reels. I don't know. I can't wait to post house reels. Those are my favorite things to post and favorite things to watch. This lighting is chef's kisses right now. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm like listening to music right now. So like if you're like, oh, why is she so crazy? It's because I'm like, okay, so I got these wooden logs. I've always had them. They've been in my house for a long time. But I brought them into the bathroom because I'm like, ooh, imagine they're like here. So what we're gonna do is, honestly, I think I should set up my bath first and then we can figure out my shower and shit after because we have to do a fucking little shower restock. Ooh, she's getting crazy. Little tray because I like wanted something, right? Should I have a tray on here or no? For a fact, I know I want like a bar of soap, but I'm like, is it weird just to like You know what I mean?
Honestly, no, because
Imagine
I'm like taking a shot like this of like what's on here. It like looks better when there's nothing. Ooh, okay, this. I can unwrap these bath bombs and it'll look super cute, and I have way more that I could put here, and then it's like, oh my gosh, I love that.
Wait, so I had this in my room and I was like, I kind of want to use it in here because it matches. And in here you can put a candle, right? So it's like, oh, cutie. And then over here I put 3. Oh, now that, the fact that she fits so good right there is sexy. Okay, so I have an incense holder and then this thing. So I think we're gonna put some like crystals in here and then obviously the incense holder. I'm just gonna collect up a couple things and then we'll come back and like try to make it look cute.
Obsessed. Is the aftershots playing right now? Oh my god.
And here's what you guys have all been waiting for, the satisfying before and after shots. I am so happy with how my bathroom turned out. It's giving hotel, relaxation, clean girl. So I'm super excited to film more videos in the bathroom. But if you guys don't know, I post 2 times a week, Monday and Friday. So subscribe if you haven't already, and also catch up on the latest episodes of the series. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, comment down below. Let's comment the word I love plants. Comment I love plants and I know that you stayed this long. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! I'm reading my comments. Go check.